Okay, taking a look at our A minor chord. First thing we're going to do is block off our low E. We have an open A. Take our middle finger, put it on the second fret of our D string. We're going to tuck the ring finger underneath that on the second fret of the G. First fret on the B string. Open E. Again, blocking off our low E string. Open A. Middle finger, second fret on the D string. Ring finger, tucking that underneath our middle finger, second fret on our G string. Pointer finger, first fret on our B string, and open E. And one more time. Open A, second fret on the D, second fret on the G, first fret on our B, open high E. And from bottom to top. Open